Hello, this is Vance, and this is Tuesday, January the 22nd, 2013. And I'm looking at this area to taking a long right here. I think it's a breakout pullback, so I'm going to buy a long. I'm going to buy 3 contracts. I'm going to try to get the price at right at this 96.16. Okay, I'm in filled. So I got 3 contracts in, and oops, I want to get my first 2/3 off at 15 ticks. And I've got my runner up here. I think this is the beginning of a measured move. And it's my first trade of the day. My thinking is that this is the low of the day. This is the high of the day. We've tested it twice. It's gone up the first time, failed. It's gone down first time, failed. Second time, failed. I think we can get to the top of this height here. This is a breakout pullback. I think the general trend is going to be up today, but I don't know, hard to say. It might fail out here. I'll be quick to close up my stop if it doesn't reach above here. But I think we have enough momentum to get to this levels. And I'm looking at, maybe testing the high from a day and a half ago. I mean, this is a pretty big range. We might be at the top of a range here. I don't know. But for the 3 contracts that I've got in here, I think that, I'm trying to catch them. I think that the general trend is up. And, yeah, a little bit of overlap here. But I think it was a breakout pullback. I got in right above 96.17. Just right above this bar, and I'll wait and see. Let's see how it transpires. If it gets up there, I'm gonna close it up a little bit and see if I can kind of manage the runner from there. But I certainly like this trade, and we're at 7 ticks now. So from there, right now, see, right now is my 96.10. I can move my stop up to 96.10 because that gives me, it's 15 ticks behind where the current price is, so I've taken some risk off the table. If it comes back, it'll hit me at 10 ticks. I don't know what happened there. Switched over to another chart for some reason. I don't know what happened there. Whew, it was giving me a heart attack. Anyway, I'm back. Okay, contracts, I'm at let's see, 17 ticks. Okay, so I'm still waiting on that. Well, something really strange happened there. I had to fix it. Okay, back on track now. Anyway, as I was saying, I've moved my stop up there, so I'm in a pretty decent position now. Just managing it from there. And hesitation here. You can see that it's right at the overnight high, or the high of the day. So it's getting some resistance there, stands to reason. Will it overcome this? I think so. It's taking a run up here, failure first down, so there's got to be buyers here. I think they're just, there's lots of absorption here. I think that's what's going to take place. It'll probably have some resistance right up until here, and then I think it's going to get a lift. Okay, first contract's off. We're going to break even +1. So again, as I like this trade, I think that ultimately the target could very well be, this might be the start of the new measured move right here, because we've got the support across this level. So this might be the first level up. And then we got 2 pullbacks here, second level up. I think that we could be, like, this could be the trend line right here. Now I've got this overlap here. I think that price traded into this range. I think it's going to trade out higher. It's these long tails indicate that there's really reluctance for price to come down below this level. And so that's why I'm staying with this trade. Again, it's I think that price is attempting to go higher, and I think that it'll fail in that direction. Now, this overlap, does it mean that I should close this out and take my ticks? It could be. I mean, I could come back and take my break-even stop here, or break-even +1. But if it comes all the way down, it will be failure. So this level right here, where that failure looks like it's to be, is 96.22. So ultimately, I could move my stop up to 96.21, I suppose. But I'm at, my entry price was 96.17, right at the top of this bar here. So what's the difference? This is only 3 ticks on one contract. It's like $30. So I'll leave it the way it is. Well, the overnight high is higher. So I'm sitting here waiting. This is my first trade. Happened at, let's see what time it was. Oh, it looks like it's having some trouble coming off that bottom of that trend channel line that I drew. Maybe it's not the right line, but again, maybe it is. I'm just gonna a bit longer. As I said, I've got 10 ticks locked in. It's hovering around 18. It was as high as... Okay, didn't quite make it. Failed up there because sellers are taking over. So I'll look at this area. Maybe this is the top of the range. I might take a short here. It could be. Maybe it's going to come back and test this. I'll see how it reacts. It might be just a breakout pullback, but awfully strong bear bars here. So it is, and we're fluttering at the top of this range. So that's another thing. So I'll have to reevaluate, see what I can, if there's another entry that presents itself, second entry short or something. But that's it for now. I'll post this as quickly as possible so you can take a look. Thanks for looking. Bye for now.